So we are ready to go.
Hello, good evening. My name is Nikita Goswami. Today is the day 19 of our 21 days LinkedIn challenge. And today I have stepped up as the host and to lead this show. So the topic for day 19 challenge is, does your career specific goal align with your real life goal? If yes, then how? So here I go. Um, as we all know that we human beings are not just sent on this planet Earth or on this world to just fulfill our dreams, aspirations, and goals, but also to do our perform our duties or tasks that has been assigned to us before our birth by the Almighty God. So and we also have to justify our birth and to do justice with mankind. So we also have to prove ourselves different from the other species which are with whom we are uh, sharing this planet Earth. Like if we cannot be like animals, that animals just do take birth, then have children, and they feed, they have food, and they ultimately die. So we humans have been very lucky that we also have to prove our humanity, do justice with our humanity. So my answer to this question is that yes, my career specific goal of becoming a full stack web developer do align with my real life goal, because if I would be in a good company, of in a high paying company where I would be getting some good salary, so I would be able to arrange a lot of money to achieve my life goal, which is to serve mankind, to do charity, and to do uh, social services, and to have to give access, to arrange money for those who want to have access to their basic needs and basic living and their basic education, and also to their health, because some people also strive to live because they are having a phase that they are undergoing some surgeries, and for that they are not able to afford their surgeries, and they have to fight choose between life and death. So my career specific goal will help me in this, but it will help me like I would be able to contribute my money, I would be able to donate, and other than that, I can also build my career, alternate career in dancing, singing, which I am very passionate about these interests of mine, and with those money and recognition, if I will be in a good designation, so I can get very good recognition, and along with that money and recognition, I can do so many things for my society and for those people who are in need. So this way my career specific goal will help me to contribute to my real life goal of achieving real life goal of helping people, serving mankind, and also to those people who are just struggling with their lives to survive with some critical health diseases, and also to those people who have just uh, seen a dark phase in their life due to some criminal issues, like those victims, like especially the women victims. So I can just do fundraising for those people, for those community, and in this way I would be able to make do justice with my birth, and I would be able to contribute to that, achieving my real life goals by applying all these things of my career specific goals. So on this note, I would be winding up my speech. Now I would like Karan and Amit to give feedback to me. So thank you for the attention. Yes, yes, you can give your feedback.
So your today's speech was not that good if I compare it to your past speeches. You are hesitating very much in between, and
Yes.
you are not looking down, you are just looking up when you are remembering. So just work on that.
Okay, thank you, Karan. I will surely work on that. Now, Amit, it's time for you to give me feedback.
Yeah, thank you. So, talking about the speech, you have a very good structure, you have a very good word selection, and you have pretty much able to deliver the content that you had. But talking about the negative aspect of it, as Karan suggested, that you are looking upward, so you need to make eye contact to the camera while speaking up. So in that case, try to rehearse whatever you had while speaking to the camera, and that will give you the necessary confidence. So that's it.
Okay, thank you, Amit, for the feedback. Now I would like you to go next to your speech.
Yeah, thank you, Nikita. So as we all know that we have been gathered around to discuss this topic, and the topic is that how our personal career can help us to achieve our personal goals or personal aspirations. So let me first discuss about my personal aspirations. So I am very much connected to my own people that are around me, because they have been working very hard to look me on a very reputed post, and they have sacrificed a lot for me. So that's why it's my duty to return the favor that they have what they have had done to me. So that's why my primary focus would be to make their life comfortable, and obviously make them happy, basically. So my professional careers have will be providing me the necessary tools and money to make me able to return them the favor what they have been able to give me. So that was my aspiration, and obviously my profession, I will be in a very good profession, I will be in a very good reputed post. So whatever I will gain through that post, whether it is respect or money or anything, so I would use that thing to make my people happy and comfortable, in the sense that I would my locality has have been struggling for education purposes, and we don't have that much level of facility in sense of hospitals and like basic facilities. So I would ensure that I would work on behalf of that. I would provide my people the necessary facilities, making roads, and like keeping our locality clean, and contribute to some of my money to some charitable work, like making schools and hospitals as well. So I won't be providing the much of the support, but as far as I can, I would definitely push myself to do all these things, because these are my peoples, and those are the only few ones whom I can rely, and they have been working a lot for me. So it was my duty to return them the favor, and it is the main purpose of my life. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the speech, Amit. Your speech was really good. Karan, would you like to give some feedback? Okay.
Amit, your today's speech was really good. If I compare it to your past speeches, it was really good. You are structured, you give valid points, and I also connect with you. So there's no bad feedback from my side. You are also very much what we say, what we say to interactive. You are very interactive with this. So I didn't feel any bad feedback or any bad thing in your speech. So
Thank you,
that's
Karan.
my point of view.
Okay, thank you, Karan, for the feedback. Now you are the only one who is remaining. So I would request you to go next for your speech.
So, first of all, good evening, everyone. So, our today's topic is does your career specific goal align with your personal or real life goal? So, if I talk about my personal life or my real life goal, like it is very much similar to Amit. Like, I am very family centric person. I live in a joint family, and I just grew up in my family. I was eldest child in my family, so there are many responsibilities in my shoulder. Like many of my family members expected many things from me, but I was an average student before. So now also I can say, but I want to prove them, like I want to achieve those things which they expect from me. things which they want. I want to be successful. I want to give all the happiness and all the things they want from me. That's my, you can say it is a selfish goal, but I want it. This is my aspiration. Like I really want to see that smile on on the face of my parents and my grandfather and grandmother. That yes, you do something. Like when I pass my 12th or 10th, I when I see the face on the smile on their face, I felt very good. So I want that smile on their face. So this is my primary goal if I talk about. And I think with my profession and what I'm doing, I'm able to do that. Like I can become a very financially stable person. It is a really good job. So I know I can do it, and I just want to make them proud. So that's my primary goal. And if I talk about some social goals, like I really love the nature. So I really want to contribute in those areas. Like I want to contribute in those people or those charities who help to clean environment. So I will surely do that. And another thing, another selfish goal of mine, like I really, this is my one of the dream. Like I really want to travel whole India, like whole India from north to south and east to west with my parents. So I really want it. So this is also one of my selfish goal. Like I really want to travel the whole India. So these are all my goals, and how can I achieve them with whether how it is related to my career specific goals. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Karan, for your speech. It was really good. But you stopped little early. There was 28 seconds still remaining. But your speech was really good. Amit, would you like to give some feedback to Karan?
Yeah, so everybody talks about their goals, aspirations, and their personal goals. So the one thing that I appreciate, that you was honest about your goals. You talked about some of your personal goals and some social goals as well. So it was very good that you kept in mind that you need to be honest. So you put your personal goals first, and then some obvious the social goals. So that was the one thing, and you improvised around those things that you need to be you need to first you need to obviously consider the social goals as well. So along with your personal goals, you put the social works as well, and how your personal professional financial condition will help you to achieve those things. So you definitely said all the things that was required in this topic. So that was a very good thing.
Thank you so much, Amit. Thank you so much, Nikita.
Okay, thank you, Amit, for the feedback. Now we all three have spoken about the topic, and I think that we all are ended with our speech. So it's time to end this session. So I would like to wrap up this meet too. So thank you, everybody. So.